The evidence is going to point to whose side is correct. I don't know. We weren't there. But it'll take time to get the evidence. There'll be body cams. And when we get everything, we're going to show it to you so you can see what happened as well. Hold on.
So the one is 5,003, Your Honor. So what are the other two bonds?
So, hold on. Can you file, a protective order has not even been filed on the VPO. Can you file it so that we can do it?
Yes, Your Honor. We can, we'll have Sebastian.
So what I'm doing is I'm now entering an order, Mr. Arzola, that identifies Mr. Arzola Sr. as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section. Yeah, we will, but
I feel that what you're saying is really irrelevant because the impersonating police officers that trespassed on my property gave me bogus charges. So the police, the so-called police that arrested me, I want to go to trial.
We're going to go to trial, but we're not there yet. Okay.
let me do this one last thing, though. I need you to listen real quick, Mr. Arzola. The protective order says that you cannot go within 200 feet of where your dad lives, where your dad works. You cannot be in possession of any of the weapons. You cannot communicate with this person in a
I'm
threatening.
mentioning that I'm not concerned. Well,
This just says you can't go there. We'll talk about everything else in trial.
Just want to explain.
if my family, my parents didn't write any police report or sign any paperwork, I'm not concerned what is being said.
I'll have Greg reach out to your folks to figure out what they say. Okay? You cannot stalk your parents. You cannot be in possession of a firearm or use anyone else to communicate a threat or harassing behavior to your father. All right. We're going to have him sign everything, Greg.
Okay.
We'll sign your motion. And then,
I want to go to trial and I want to be appointed a new lawyer, a court appointed lawyer.
let me just raise it up by $1.
Okay. So that makes it what?
1,001.
1,100, sugar.
Okay. All right, Mr. Arzola, we're going to have you sign these documents. After that, we'll have you go.
I want a new court appointed attorney.
Okay. But we need him to sign stuff, okay? GPS prior to release, no drugs, no alcohol. Hey, what's he got in his finger there? He grabbed something.
It's called.